This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up 3200 MHz RAM, full guide. Enter your BIOS and enable XMP or manually set timings and voltage to match the RAM specifications. Begin by updating the motherboard BIOS for better compatibility, then install RAM in recommended slots and verify SPD reads correct speed. Save BIOS changes, boot into your OS, and run a memory stress test to confirm stable operation smoothly. Enter the BIOS gently and locate the overclocking or memory configuration menu for XMP and manual timing options. If XMP is stable, it saves time by applying the 3200 MHz profile automatically, but manual tuning lets you adjust frequency, CAS latency, and voltage precisely. After applying changes, save and exit, boot into the operating system, and run a memory tester to validate stability and detect any errors quickly. When encountering instability, start by resetting the BIOS to defaults and then try one RAM stick per slot to identify faulty modules. If problems persist, reduce the frequency or loosen timings until stable, and confirm DRAM voltage matches the rated value on the module label. Also inspect cooling and power delivery, since weak VRMs or inadequate PSU can cause errors under memory stress tests, and update drivers for the chipset afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.